Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom. If you watched our videos about 10 years ago, that was me that used to do them. But then Greg came in and does an awesome job, but he's actually in the hospital. He's getting a tune-up on his heart. He's doing awesome. So you're going to be stuck with me for a few here. So today we're standing in front of a beautiful 1977 Ford F-150 Ranger XLT. That is just phenomenal. Love these trucks. This one's been completely restored. As you can see, the grille, the bumper, everything is spectacular on this unit. Check it out. The paint is slick, black. All the trim going down the side of the truck, windshield is in very good condition. That's where you can tell a car's been restored well. There's a lot of cars that they restore, but there's pitted bright work on them and so forth. Looking down the side of this thing, it's just absolutely like glass. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Let's check out inside here. Nice solid doors, not like the cars today. The interior is beautiful, white seats, beautiful dash pad. Looks like it has an aftermarket steering wheel on it. Door panels are in great shape. Somewhere I always look when I'm buying a car is like the door jambs. That's a telltale sign if a car's been done right too. The bottom of the doors are nice and crisp. They did a nice job on the paint in there. Nice solid steel there. Remember, we're located in Plymouth, Michigan. If you'd like to come out and see us, we love company. So give us a shout, come on out, and check out our inventory on, in person versus online. We're going to open up this gate here. Looks got like a rhino liner and then a nice rubber mat. Nice solid under there though. Protect the bed. Bumper's in beautiful shape. It's got the diamond plate on it. Looking down the passenger side, same beauty. These were hard to come by back in the day because they used to always rust out, but this one's definitely a showpiece. If you're looking to park this dream in your driveway, give me a call. I'm Tom, the one Greg always talks about, at 248-974-9513. And let Vanguard Motor Sales park this rig in your driveway. All right, guys, now let's go for a ride in this beautiful 77 Ford Ranger XLT. What a sweet truck. All restored. It's awesome, even has air conditioning. On a day like today in Michigan, we appreciate that. Let's see how it drives. Usually these lifted pickups are a little bit of a challenge to drive. Look at the steering wheel on this. Somebody set this truck up nice. Remember, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are non-consignment dealers. Everything is in our showroom because we deemed it high quality that Vanguard Motor Sales represents. We're available 7 days a week at 248-974-9513. My name is Tom, and we can help you park this Ford Ranger XLT in your driveway. I think I might just take this one home. This Ford truck is actually built Ford tough. It's phenomenal. Look at the dash and everything. The attention to detail in here is just phenomenal. You know, usually all this chrome stuff is all scratched off, and it's really, really nice. All the glass is in good shape. You can tell somebody knew what they were doing when they did this one. We're located about a half hour north of the Detroit Metro Airport. If you ever want to come in and see us, you're more than welcome. We do 99% of our sales sight unseen over the internet. We've been doing that for just about 2 decades now. So don't hesitate to call us at 248-974-9513 and let VMS park this dream in your driveway. We're going to take it back and we're going to get it up on the lift, show you everything you want to see under this guy.
All right, guys, we got our 4x4 Ford up on the rack. So, first thing that stands out to me, brand new fuel tank in the truck. They even put the insulator pads up in there. Looks like we got a brand new exhaust on it. If you look up beside, like up underneath the gas tank here on the frame, I don't see any rot or anything like that going on up here. And that's a big thing with the 4x4s. A lot of these things got mudded. So it's something you really want to keep an eye out for on these is body rot, because you get mud, holds moisture, could cause problems. I don't see that here. Something else we got going here is a Ford 9-inch, standard for this truck, 411 gear set. That is actually, I checked the door tag on the truck. 411 is actually the gear set this truck was born with. We got drum brakes on either end of it. This is actually a limited slip too, which is really cool. Either which way here, we have good looking brake lines on either side. Look like they're relatively fresh, brand new whip hose on it. Looks to be a set of Flowmaster mufflers here. Like I said, the exhaust is all new, Flowmaster mufflers. As far as transfer case goes, we have a new Process 205. Now the new Process 205 is date code correct for the truck. They didn't stamp bins on anything like this, but it is date code for the truck. It could very well be the original one. Floor pans up here also looking pretty good, pretty solid. There is like an undercoat on all of it, but I don't see any rust or anything like that going on, even up inside the fenders too. All pretty good there. You can look nice and clean, no pitting going on up there. Pretty nice. Coming forward to that, this is a, let's see, what is this? A new Process 435 transmission. Now the transmission is not the correct year for the truck. It's a 1978 model year, but very, very close. But this is what this truck would have come with. Moving forward to that, this is the underside of our 400 modified. We're going to talk about that in just a second. For a front axle, of course, this is a Dana 44. Now this is, of course, same ratio you would have in the back. This is an open differential. Got disc brakes on either end of it. Factory style front suspension in this thing. We got new shocks all the way around too. They got Monroe pretty darn new shocks on it in all 4 corners. Coming around the side here, big old meats on it. What do we got? 33 by 12.5 by 15. Good looking wheels on it, worn locking hubs. Coming around the side, or the other side of the truck here. We have 33 by 12.5, R15, same in the back. And once again, we got drums in the rear, disc in the front. All right, let's take a look at the 400 under the hood. All right, guys, under the hood, we have exactly what this truck should have in it. Is a 351 modified. This is a 2-barrel engine. Now, I did scour this engine for VIN stampings, and I could not find a VIN stamping. However, it is a 1977 correct engine, and I checked the door tag. This is what this truck was born with. Motorcraft 2100 2-barrel on it, which once again, this is exactly what it should have. It has its the correct Duraspark ignition system, which is exactly what the truck, once again, should have on it. Good looking set of chrome valve covers on it. The engine bay looks to be pretty untouched. Looks like it survived pretty well throughout the years. Of course, this is an AC truck, power steering and power brakes. So 1977, that's pretty good. Looks like the underhood insulation looks like it's all in pretty good shape too. It's got the galvanized style inner fenders on this, which I'm not mistaken, that was correct for the later year trucks. These trucks actually hold kind of a special place in my heart. We actually have a 74 dent side that we were doing some work on. But overall, it looks like it's in pretty darn good shape under here, not monkeyed with, which is exactly the way that I like to see them. So guys, if you'd like to have this one in your driveway, make sure to call Tom at the number below and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway. Keep the rubber side down. We'll see you in the next one.